Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to pay our respects. We join together in a shared mourning of, hang on, what does that say? Hi everyone, my name is Tenika, and believe it or not, I'm actually not a cemetery official, but the cause of death written on this fake tombstone is in fact very real, and even scarier, it could happen to anyone in this room. But fear not, you're all super lucky because I am about to give you the coolest and quickest ticket buster class ever, yay! Okay, so, the facts. A recent scientific study, which definitely exists, found that devs who ignore their bug tickets have a 99.9% chance of mysteriously dying. Thus proving my theory that ignoring your bug tickets leads directly to death. But how can we prevent this? Why do devs ignore their bug tickets? Yay! Here's a game dev who died after ignoring their bug tickets. Now, I've deduced 3 things that led to this, all right? The first problematic cause of death, look at their heart. It is shattered. In my experience, an emerging cause of ignored bug tickets is devs losing hope. When QA makes a bug ticket, they're thinking like, oh yeah, what a good find. Woo, let's get it fixed. But what a dev sees, crisis. Listen, getting sent a bug ticket can be a startling experience for any dev. But as QA, we have perhaps the greatest understanding of our game. So don't be afraid to communicate project needs. I had a programmer who said that they never looked at their active sprint and instead they just sorted all bugs in the project by priority. And at first I was like, oh, don't do that. That's crazy. Yep, you get it. And then I realized that this dev was well and truly overloaded with tickets. They had dozens, and I mean dozens, of blockers, criticals, and high priority tickets all in their active sprint. It was crazy. So the next bug triage meeting, when a producer was trying to cram even more tickets into this poor programmer's sprint, it's not you. It's not about you. It's not about you. But this is what happened. Nuh-uh, buddy, overruled. They're too busy. And boom, instant respect gained. If devs feel supported, they are significantly less likely to get overwhelmed and they won't feel the need to ignore their bug tickets. QA saves lives, people. So now we're on to cause of death. Number 2. Listen, okay, no wonder that this dev ended up dead, because it looks to me like they were suffering from a chronic case of it works on my machine syndrome. All right, game devs are busy people, but if they receive a bug ticket and it's missing information or they can't instantly reproduce it, the devs are going to hit you with the can't repro sending back to QA. Evil! Evil! This is basically digging your own grave, okay? Anyways, we apparently can't be letting that happen, so QA has to write gorgeous bug tickets, yay! So no dev could ignore them, all right? This is my template ticket. So we have concise but identifiable and searchable ticket titles. There's juicy descriptions, ooh, details. There's appropriately named and annotated attachments. I love doing a massive big pink arrow saying, here's the bug. There's tried and tested steps to reproduce, and look at all the extra information in the pin fields. Yay, so much information. And your tickets will shine so much that no dev will ever be able to say, it works on my machine, ever again. Yay. But Tenika, what's the 3rd potential cause of death? Listen, I agree that things are nicer in groups of 3, but this is a lightning talk, and giving me 5 minutes to talk about, like, anything is crazy, so, y'all get it. Ooh, lightning talk, they were struck by lightning. Listen, this one's probably not related, let's be honest. But let's review our facts, okay? So, we know bug tickets equals death, okay? But number 1, be on the lookout for any overwhelmed artists or panicking programmers, okay? Because if you start to notice devs getting buried in tickets, it likely means that they're going to be buried in the graveyard very soon. So don't be afraid to prod producers, okay? You're a good team. You'll care about the same goals, so heck yeah, do it. And point number 2, never devalue the importance of really, really pretty and cute bug tickets. Because listen, devs have enough on their plates, so you want to make the bug fixing process as streamlined as possible. And yeah, if we work together and we do these things, then we might just manage to save our bug tickets and also the devs from the graveyard. But listen, okay, if you have addressed all of these points and somehow you have a dev who is still ignoring your bug tickets for whatever reason, listen, you've done the best that you can. So get a blank tombstone, engrave their name, and start digging, because this bug graveyard isn't gonna fill itself. Dun, 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 the end. Yay!